Hi guys, it's Travel North Taiwan. I'm Lena.
I'm Patrick.
And today we got some friends with us.
We just woke up like 3 minutes ago, really sleepy. I don't know, we're in the forest in the middle of nowhere.
They've been sleeping the whole way while I was driving. I was trying to wake them up.
By the way guys, do you know where we're going
Taiwan,
to?
baby.
Today we are going to Aohua waterfall. One of the most beautiful waterfalls. Let's go rock it!
Okay, so let me tell you a story. The first time we came here, we saw the guy, he was riding a scooter. And we were like, hey, like, where do we actually go? Where is the place? And he was like, oh, you know you guys are going to the hidden spot. The road was not so easy to access to here.
Yeah, it was kind of destroyed due to the rock fall.
Are you he's recording?
What a romantic guy.
So it's time to cross. They said it's very cold, but I don't care. That's the first time actually my sister is going with us on a trip. So let's see how she can handle it. A little bit of hike, a little bit of swim.
How you doing so far?
Leave me alone.
Good morning. We're gonna tell you how to get here. It's very simple to find it. You just Google it.
Yeah, it's a turn before the tunnel to go to Hualien.
The road will be off-road, so be careful with that if you have like very low car. It's actually a very easy hike, mostly walking, you know, because it was a touristic destination, so the path is very good, it's very arranged. Overall, it's very easy and you'll be amazed. So, attention please. What's that? Super awesome. But you need to cross all those rocks to get there. And it looks even more impressive.
Look who's coming!
I'm ready to swim.
So yeah, how you guys feeling now? Excited?
Want to swim because it's so hot.
Alright, let's drop our stuff and then we can get in the water.
Let's get in.
So yeah guys, before you swim, safety first all the time. Water is kind of deep.
It goes like up to maybe 5 meters.
Just in case, always wear a safety jacket.
Yeah, always wear it. 2, 3, come on! Get it! Otherwise I can help you. Woo!
Guys, it's so cold!
We've been swimming for like 5 minutes only and we feel freezing. But look at those skis. They have no fear. They're jumping from super high. I think it's around like more than 10 meters. It's different type of traveling, you know, for the picture. So we already finished like swimming, so we have a tutorial from my sister of how to take pictures. Okay, check this.
She's not just good at being in the photos, but she's also good at taking photos.
Damn, looking good. Instagram. Okay, don't put it later so you can check all those pictures from this place. In the bikini, very sexy, very nice. Okay. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel. Love you guys.
Right now or else.
Yeah.